శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 444th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతం Sabhaparvam 24th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, when Jarasandha's son Sahadeva surrendered to Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, Bhimasena, Arjuna were very much pleased with Sahadeva. Then Sahadeva asked, please give me permission to perform final rites to my father Jarasandha. Then Sri Krishna, Bhimasena, Arjuna gave permission. Sahadeva did all the final rites, did Shraddha Karma, came back to Krishna, did namaskaram and saying like this: O Krishna, ime ratnani bhurini gojavi mahishadayah hastinaha asvascha govinda vasamsi vividhani cha diyatam dharmarajaya yadhava manyate bhavan. O Madhava, Sri Krishna, here is so many cows, horses, elephants, ratnas, gems, pearls, and please take all of them and pass it to Dharmaraju, and also tell me what else I can do for you. Then Krishna felt very happy, took all of them, did Sahadeva Pattabhishekam, gave that kingdom to Sahadeva and did Pattabhishekam. After that, along with Bhimasena, Arjuna, Sri Krishna came back to Dharmaraju's kingdom, Indraprastham, met with Dharmaraju and saying like this: O Dharmaja, Dishtya Bhimena Balavan Jarasandho Nipatitaha Rajano Mokshitaschaiva Bandhanan Rupasattamam. O Dharmaja, you are so lucky. Bhimasena killed Jarasandha, released all the kings from the prison. And Bhimasena, Arjuna, both of them are safe. When Krishna said, Dharmaraju felt very happy, hugged Krishna, Bhimasena, Arjuna worshipped Krishna, and then he was happy with his brothers and asking, Dharmaraju asking Krishna, saying to Krishna like this. What he is saying we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.